Okay, so today's topic is circular motion and how it is related to a topic called banking. So we have already covered the equations of circular motion and centripetal acceleration. Now let us understand how it is related to maximum velocity on a road. Suppose this is a circular road and suppose the radius is r, and suppose there is a vehicle whose mass is m and which is traveling with velocity v. Now if you will observe, if you will increase the velocity of this mass, the mass will try to go outwards. Try it. If you will increase the velocity, the mass will go outwards. It means something is there which is stopping it from going outwards, and that is friction, which is towards center. So please remember that in circular motion on unbanked road, static friction acts along this direction and kinetic friction acts along this direction. Because in this direction, there is no motion. The motion is only in this direction. So in this direction, we'll have kinetic friction, and in this direction, we'll have static friction. Now remember, if we'll draw free body diagram of this mass, then mg will be downwards, normal will be upwards, and static friction will be towards center. Now if you'll see, there is no vertical motion, so normal will be equal to mg, and the force towards center will be equal to centripetal force. So Fs will be equal to mv square by r. Now I have to find the maximum value of velocity. So v is directly proportional to static friction. So maximum value of static friction is mu s n. And putting the value of normal will get mg, m and m will get cancelled out. So if you'll see, the maximum value of velocity will come out to be mu s rg. So this is the maximum value of velocity on an unbanked road. Now we'll come to the topic, what is the difference between banking and unbanking. But please remember, if the road is straight like this, then the maximum value of velocity with which a mass can travel in circular motion will be equal to root of mu s rg, where mu s is coefficient of static friction, r is radius, and g is acceleration due to gravity. Please see that the maximum value does not depends on mass. Similarly, what if there is banking? So what is banking? Generally, in circular path, when there is circular path on road, the road is somewhat inclined like this. If you go to any choraha, you will see that the water will get collected near the center during rainy season. So the roads are something like this. Now, how to find out maximum velocity here? Suppose we have a mass here. The mass is m. So mg will be downwards, normal will be in this direction perpendicular to the road, and friction will stop the body from going away. So friction will be like this. So this is our static friction. So if we'll draw a parallel line like this, so this angle will be theta, and if you'll see, this will be 90 minus theta, and if you'll extend it like this, so this will again be theta. So the component of normal, this component of normal will be n cos theta, and this component of normal will be n sine theta. Similarly, taking components of friction, so component of friction will be fs cos theta, and this component of friction will be fs sine theta, because I have taken component of friction and normal. So friction will have two component, one here, other downwards. Normal will have two component here and upwards. So now what we'll do is we'll just equate. So there is no motion in vertical direction. So n cos theta will be equal to mg plus fs sine theta. Similarly, the net force towards center will be equal to centripetal force. So n sine theta plus fs cos theta will be equal to mv square by r. And to calculate maximum velocity, we'll take maximum value of friction, that is fs equal to mu s n. So these are three equations which will give you the maximum velocity on an banked road. So how to calculate? So if I'll take equation number 1, so putting value of fs to be mu s n, so n will be equal to mg upon cos theta minus mu s sine theta, and you can put the value of n in this equation to get maximum velocity Vm. Please remember that banking is done to increase the maximum velocity, and always remember the maximum velocity does not depend on mass. Please remember this thing. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate the maximum velocity on banked road and unbanked road. Okay,